big wheel as he sets up. What an insane jump.
It's getting very wide as he comes around the big corner. Ladies and gentlemen, can he tell
What an absolutely incredible piece of kit that is. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to go fast,
forget the drift car, get yourself a bit of scaffolding in the bike engine.
For these things in Drift League or Drift Grass.
Yeah, I somehow feel like it'd be a bit hard to police, but I don't know if I'm just being there. I think there is maybe potential for a space frame class in drifting, but I guess we'll see.
As long as they can do wheelies down the straight off the line and